out today. I haven't seen the sun in months. Oh god. Oh, that was crazy. Say hi to Wilson. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, chicken puppy. I put oil in my hair last night, so she's not having a good hair day this morning. I was gonna record because I wanted to show you what came in the mail. So basically, I went to go visit my dad's this weekend, and I had to have the passport sent there, and that's pretty far away from where my mom lives. So I'm so grateful that it came on Monday, because otherwise that would have been a freaking headache, especially with this sudden illness that I sort of have. But, oh wait, I feel like I should hide my info. But, here she is. And she's got bangs in the photo. This is my first visa photo with bangs. Yeah, I'm like legal for a year, and then I'll extend it for another 6 months after this year. I'm just so excited. I'm so grateful, and it just feels like I'm doing something very like aligned with what I'm supposed to be doing, if that makes sense. So I will in a week be in France, which sounds so ridiculous right now because I am like struggling. I'm struggling to pack, and I'm not gonna be like, oh poor me, like I'm stressed because I have to pack to live out my dream. But I'm kind of just like trying to, I don't know, be gracious with myself, because I just have not been feeling good today. Like it's just a lot, like emotionally. I'm just like a very sensitive person to transition and saying bye to people and like anticipating an upcoming move. I feel like I always get sick, which I should know by now, so I should really take extra supplements or something. But yeah, I just feel kind of under the weather today. I feel like I kind of have a fever, stomach, I don't know what's going on. So I was gonna pack all day and that did not happen. I just laid in bed and napped and tried to relax. So yeah, I leave for France in a week. It's so crazy. I can't believe I'm gonna be starting in 2 weeks. I'll literally be at a new job, which is insane to me. But I'm like so ready. Like, let's go. Let's get it. On y va. Honestly, whipping out my vlog camera is making me like more motivated. Eee, thanks guys. I mean, obviously I'm so excited and just so grateful, but I have been processing what it's gonna be like going through this whole move. Yeah, I'm just, like I said, I'm transition, baby, transition. It's hard on me, it's hard on my body, and I'm just gonna really prioritize taking care of myself and making sure that I am feeling good. Like even my cheeks look a little red. I just feel very warm today. Yeah, so tonight, I'm just gonna do little, I think I might dye my eyebrows a little bit. Whiten my teeth probably. Just do, oh god, there's something stuck on my tooth. This is why like recording on YouTube is so funny, because I'm like, oh, like, it's like the friend that like, girl, why didn't you tell me I had something in my teeth earlier? Whatever. But yeah, so I'm very excited. I'm just gonna relax tonight. I might just like overlook and organize some stuff into categories. Maybe I'll fold laundry. That's maybe what I'll do. Yeah, because we got a lot of that. all this laundry that's there. And like I said, I think I might dye my eyebrows. Fun night. Okay, we are going off tonight. I seriously am like actually feeling like I want to pack, which is crazy. So tonight we are just going off. I'm like clearing all of this out. I just tried on something. It's a jumpsuit and it fits perfectly. I bought it like 5 years ago. What? Insane. I'm obsessed. Oh damn. I'm freaking out. I want to be fully transparent about the moving process. I literally started this like 2 months ago and nothing has happened. Or like a month ago. Nothing's happened. I'm not thrilled about my decision, but it is what it is. You know, I'm just taking ownership. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Ooh. Damn. Hello. Welcome to another, I guess, moving vlog. I don't know. Me trying to get my life together before I literally move across the world. I'm wearing my green productive dress. This is just like my go-to. And I'm gonna do like 2 hours of hardcore packing, sorting, figuring stuff out. I'm feeling productive, we're feeling good. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, I'm just trying to like do as much as I can. Before Sunday. Honestly, it's like what I used to have an issue with was going through things and like sorting and figuring out, oh, what am I attached to? Like, what do I want to keep? And I still sort of have that, but now I'm kind of in the mindset of like, go, go, go. Let's get rid of it. Bye. I don't need you. I'm a minimalist now. Just kidding. I'm not a minimalist. But yeah, so that's sort of what's going on right now. Yeah, I got like 2 hours because I got a Friday night fish fry to go to tonight, very Wisconsin. And tomorrow I have a fun little moment in the day, a little project, a secret project. No, it's not a secret. But yeah, I am, oh, one thing I am really hoping that I'll find is my SIM card. I always seem to find it right before I leave, but it hasn't turned up yet. Like last time I was literally at the thrift store in Paris giving away stuff, and I opened up my suitcase, start giving the lady a bunch of clothes, things that I want to give away, and then there at the bottom of the suitcase was my SIM card. So I'm hoping something like that happens again, and that's how I find my SIM card again. Because I truly don't know where I put it. And I have been paying for my phone, my French phone number, because I wanted to keep it since I was last there, which is, was that the smartest thing? Probably not. I'm obsessed with this song. Go move! Move! Alright. We're gonna get going. Let's go. Let's move across the world.